device custom configurations. There are many times where you're probably doing a deployment for a customer and you end up doing the same thing again and again for multiple customers. I'm going to show you how you do this in a reseller level down to your customers. And these can include things like maybe putting your logos onto the phone, so that way when your phone's out in the field with customers, it's potentially maybe additional advertising queue directly from that customer site. Or maybe even going through and setting up some hard set keys, so that way your VIP customers can come directly through to you and they can bypass the other customers. We're going to jump into SaaSpots now. All right, so if we're going to be changing something that's going to go to all our customers, of course, we'll be doing this from our reseller level. And on the right-hand side, we go to our Actions tab and go down to Manage Custom Device Config. We've already got a couple of handsets loaded on here already. So to do this, simply click on Create. That'll load up a screen there. We'll select the device we wish to work with, such as, say, Yealink. And then from here, we've then selected the device we wish to work with. So in this case, I'm going to pick on the T56A for this time round. Now down the bottom, you can go through these menus and apply the different settings as needed. Or if you feel like you wish to do a complete do-it-yourself mode, you can use the config file here. Basically, anything that you do modify on here will still send the original config through, but it will put these modifications over those values to all those devices. So for example, if we wanted every single customer that we deploy plays, I don't know, Mario tunes to every single Yealink T56A is the ringtone, we could do that directly from here all the way through. Backgrounds, simple, come into here, go to custom, select the file, and then from there, you'll be able to upload it. It automatically centers onto the frame, so you don't have to worry about, squishing it to the right angle or that. It does it automatically from there. Maybe you're doing a lot of call center deployments rather than doing it on every single handset. You could use these options, things like we want to show it every time there's a call center enabled handset out in the field. It shows, how many calls are waiting on queue direct on the handsets. What's the queue status? Is it open or closed? Maybe they want to know from a distance. Maybe make the light flash on the phone to know the difference between a call come from the queue versus direct. All these sort of things are available. You'll notice also against a lot of them, if you hold your mouse over top, there is a little description about what it actually does. And that then repeats again through all of the different options that we've got here, all the way through to the end. Good thing about it, as I mentioned before, we're talking about maybe hard setting a key. We can click on these here. So if we select yes here, we get to make it so that way every single handset that is maybe a speed dial, say maybe a help desk, for example, go to the line key value. So you could use things like call forwarding and one of the many other features. You don't have to remember the feature access codes anymore. Just select the one you want, and then you just put in the appropriate thing afterwards. Or if you don't want to use any of them, you can just go select and then just put in the phone number that you wish for it to dial through to. The other hint, which I won't go into just to demonstrate today, is if you are using this to get your VIP customers coming to a help desk or even for themselves, you can also, the queues, you can also set priorities over one queue and the other queue as well.